Welcome back to the channel, and today we've got something truly exciting, the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Pickup. This is not just a compact off-roader anymore. Suzuki has taken the rugged spirit of the Jimny and transformed it into a versatile pickup that's built for the wild, yet equally at home in urban jungles. The moment you lay eyes on it, you know it's something special. It retains the iconic boxy silhouette of the Jimny, but now it's paired with the utility of a truck bed, creating a head-turner that blends retro vibes with practical innovation. Starting at the front, the 2025 Jimny Pickup retains that classic, no-nonsense fascia. The round halogen headlamps are framed by a blacked-out grille that sports bold Suzuki lettering, simple, strong, and unmistakable. The bumper has been slightly redesigned with better approach angles, integrated fog lamps, and a more pronounced skid plate that adds to its off-road presence. Move along the side, and you'll notice the high ground clearance, beefy fender flares, and chunky all-terrain tires on 15-inch steel or alloy wheels depending on the trim. The two-door cab setup sits atop a slightly extended wheelbase to accommodate the cargo bed, but it still maintains that compact footprint that off-road enthusiasts love. Around the back, the cargo area is modest but practical, featuring a reinforced tailgate, durable bed lining, and tie-down hooks that are perfect for hauling camping gear, tools, or even your weekend toys. The rear bumper is equipped with integrated reflectors and a functional tow hook, making sure it's ready for both work and play. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly modern and efficient interior. While Suzuki has kept things utilitarian, it doesn't feel bare. The dashboard is dominated by a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, flanked by large rotary dials for climate control that are glove-friendly. Perfect for rugged environments. The seats are upholstered in water-resistant fabric, and there are strategically placed storage bins throughout the cabin. The driver's seat offers a commanding view of the road, and visibility is excellent thanks to the upright pillars and large windows. Don't expect luxury, but everything here feels solid, functional, and designed with adventure in mind. Under the hood, the Jimny Pickup is powered by a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine producing around 105 horsepower and 138 Newton-meters of torque. It's not a powerhouse, but it gets the job done, especially when paired with Suzuki's All-Grip Pro 4WD system and low-range transfer gear. Whether you're crawling over rocks, plowing through mud, or navigating tight city corners, this pickup delivers confidence and control. The 5-speed manual transmission feels mechanical and connected, while the 4-speed automatic is available for those who prefer ease over engagement. Fuel efficiency remains respectable, averaging around 14 to 15 km/L in mixed driving conditions. Payload capacity sits at roughly 350 to 400 kilograms, which may not rival full-size trucks, but it's ideal for light-duty work and recreational use. Pricing for the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Pickup starts around $24,000 and can climb to just over $28,000 with all the bells and whistles. It's competitively priced in the compact off-road segment, especially considering its unique positioning as a lifestyle pickup. For buyers in markets like Asia, South America, or Africa, where narrow roads and rural accessibility matter, it presents an excellent value proposition. Even in Europe and Australia, the Jimny Pickup could become a cult favorite. For those looking at this vehicle, here's our take. If you're expecting massive towing capacity or plush luxury, this isn't your ride. But if what you want is an incredibly charming, highly capable, go-anywhere vehicle with the added practicality of a truck bed, then the Jimny Pickup is in a league of its own. It's fun, functional, and delivers personality in every mile. Whether you're a solo adventurer, a weekend warrior, or a tradesman with a love for the outdoors, this is a compact pickup that doesn't compromise the spirit of adventure. Thanks for tuning in to today's detailed review of the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Pickup. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that bell for more deep dive reviews on the latest rides. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take the Jimny Pickup over a traditional compact truck? We'd love to hear what you think. Until next time, keep your engines running and your paths unpaved.